Hi MTC, my name is Kim, aka Kimbo, and I'm part of the MTC alumni, as you can see. I actually worked at MTC from 2007 to 2015, so I've actually spent many summers in the beautiful state of Maine. At camp, I took on various roles, from a general counsellor to a group leader. I even one year had a go at doing EP, thanks to Matt and Mo. So as you can tell, I've done various roles at camp. But my main role at camp, which is obviously one of my main passions, is fitness. Also a bit of football on the side. But I am a fitness fanatic, and I thought that this summer would be a great opportunity, not just to obviously introduce myself, but to take you guys through various workouts over the summer. So if you're ready to take on a lot of these challenges with me, get your water bottle, get your trainers, sneakers, and get your kit on, and let's get started. So the workout I'm going to talk to you about today is actually going to be an interactive alphabet workout wheel. Now, I've created this using an actual PDF. So you'll see attached to the video, there'll be a PDF here. You want to open this so then you have access to the actual workout. Now, you'll see on here, it is actually 3 pages long for this alphabet workout wheel. The first page just gives you the instructions, which I'm going to give to you right now. And then the second page actually is where you can access the interactive workout wheel. The third page is actually the alphabet menu. Now, I'm going to explain what all this is about. Now, on the second page, you'll see click here for interactive workout wheel. So what you'll do is you'll press Control and click, and then that will take you to a web link. Now, it will open up a big green wheel, and then what you'll see on that wheel is all the locations at camp. Okay, the idea is you'll spin that wheel, so you'll click on it, it will start spinning. When it stops, it will stop on a location at camp. So for example, it might say lodge, okay, and it'll say congratulations, go and complete your workout. You're probably wondering right now, what does it mean? What's the workout? What, all I can see is lodge. What you'll do is go to that third page on that PDF where you'll see an alphabet menu. So as you can imagine, the word is lodge. So each letter of the alphabet is going to be a specific exercise. So if you get lodge, that's going to be 5 different exercises. So for example, A could be sit-ups, L could be burpees, okay? So all these different things, but if you get the lodge, then you have to complete all the exercises to spell the word lodge. Now you'll see also on those menus, they'll say like times 15, times 10, times 20. So if you see sit-ups times 20, it means one obviously exercise is 20 sit-ups. And then you will complete the next one based on what the next letter is of that word. Okay, by completing that, that is 1 set. Okay, so for example, we just talked about lodge, that means it's 5 exercises, and that completes you 1 set. Now, if you're kind of at beginner level, what I would like you to do is I'd like you to complete 3 sets. So you will actually do each exercise 5 times, 1 set, and then just complete a total of 3. If you think that you're quite a whiz kid and you want to do a little bit more, then do the intermediate level and do 4 sets for me. But if you're there and you're training to be an elite athlete like myself, then you want to complete 5 sets, okay? If you're feeling that you want to push yourself even further after doing that, then what you can do is on the workout wheel, it will tell you to remove the location. Press yes, and then when you spin the wheel again, the lodge won't come up again and another location will pop up. And you can then have a go at doing that workout based on what words you get. Okay, it's quite simple. Obviously the PDF will give you all of the instructions anyway. Also, if you're not sure about the exercises on the alphabet menu, don't worry about that either, I've got you covered. So what you'll do is you can hover over those pictures of the workout. So for example, if you don't know what a sit-up is, or you don't know the correct technique, just hover over that picture, press control, click on that, and it will direct you to a YouTube link of me performing those demonstrations for you and giving you that specific instructions to help you work on your technique. Okay, so don't worry, I'm there with you all the way. All right, it'd be nice to obviously get some feedback. Let me know how the workout wheel works out, because I've got plenty more ideas where this came from. Okay, all the best of luck, guys. Looking forward to seeing the results. Take care.